Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on an LED using a push button. So now I'm going to share my screen with you and show you um, the LED and push button model that I created using Tinkercad. So now on your screen you should see the Tinkercad application, which and it shows that I created um, a push button, and the push button will turn on an LED light. So the items that I used to create this are an Arduino Uno and a breadboard, and I also used some wires, and I used a resistor that's 10K power, and another resistor that has one uh 1K of power. So the code that I used to create this push button was over here. So basically what I did is I went into the code and I created a button state tab, and that was the first set of code that I equaled. And then I created the setup using this code that I have highlighted here in 3. And then to create the next set of code, I set module number 2 in the Arduino Uno as the input, because that is what is going to be used to press the push button to turn on the light. And then I set pin 13 in the Arduino Uno as the output, because that is the LED that's going to be turning on and off. So after that, I created a next set of code, which is a loop. Um, so I set the button state to read pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno, and I'd put some comments like it needed to like what I put in number 12. It's supposed to read the state of the push button, and it's supposed to check if the push button is pressed, and if it is pressed, then the button state will be high and the LED light will be on. And if it's not pressed, the LED will not be on. Um, so if the button state is high, then the LED that's connected to pin 13 of the Arduino Uno will also be set to high, which means that the LED will be on, and when it's on, it will have a red color. And then I put an else statement. If pin 13 is set to low, then that means the light will be off like it is right now. And then the last set of code that I had entered um, for Tinkercad was this delay 10, and basically what it does, what it delays the simulation that I will test in order to improve the performance of what I'm trying to do. So this is the code for what I did for my project. So now I'm going to get all of my code first, and then start the simulation, and I'm going to show you how the push button works. So basically, I click this button here that I have next to my mouse clicker here. I'm going to click start. So it started. and then I'm gonna click the button. Each time I press the button, it turns on and off, it's like I'm just pressing it, like I'm pressing it down and releasing it kind of. So it just flashes right now. So to basically get to hold on to where like the light will stay red, um, I basically press the shift button on my keyboard and my mouse at the same time, like this, and then it'll keep the light on. So basically, what this symbolizes um, in reality is if someone were to put their finger on the button and press it and hold it down. So doing that would cause the light to be on. So to turn it off, all I do on the computer is um, press the button and the light turns off. And now what this does in reality is basically if I were to press the button and hold it and do that and the light's on, and if I take my finger off the button, um, it'll put the button back to its normal state and the light will be turned off. So that's the end of my basic project. This is how I created a push button to turn on an LED. Um, I hope you all have a nice day. Take care. Bye.